The Edinburg Consolidated Independent School District is on a mission to motivate students for career and college readiness through an innovative STEM curriculum.
STEM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. This is a way of providing our students an opportunity for career pathways. And so we have been designated all our 4 high schools to be STEM high schools, where we offer the students opportunities in those fields. We're here in one of our classrooms at Edinburg High School, which is a robotics classroom, and this is part of preparing our students for in the field of, in this case, of engineering. And this is what STEM is about. Part of our initiatives is to have students to be college and career ready, and being able to offer them the courses and the rigor of the curriculum. It all starts from early childhood, and everything that we're doing now, it starts from the early grades and from pre-kinder through the elementary grades, middle school and high school. So the initiative is to be able to align our curriculum so that our students are exposed at an early age to those opportunities and what they want to do as they move on through our system and graduate from high school. It involves equipment, it involves computers, it involves designing, creating, and that's what STEM is all about. And so you have to provide them with those materials and that equipment so that the students can be exposed. It goes hand in hand with the academics, and so the students are going to learn more by doing it on hands-on.
We do a lot of robotics camps, we do drone camps, we have 3D printing, a lot of the tools for technology that they'll be using later on. We try to bring to them and make sure that they're very adept with those skills. We recognize that we're preparing them for a future in the 21st century that's beyond our comprehension sometimes, and so we want to make sure that they're fully equipped for that. We have award-winning schools actually from the elementary on up. They do participate in robotics competitions. We have schools that have actually even moved into the national, state, and national levels in competition at the elementary and middle school levels, and of course at the high school. All 4 of our high schools in ECISD are T-STEM schools. They're certified by Texas Education Agency. They've gone through a very rigorous application process, and so they've met all of the blueprint certifications required by the agency to be designated as T-STEM schools. We recently received the post-secondary distinction for ECISD, and we were one of only 58 schools that received it. We work with both boys and girls, making sure that, you know, in terms of our girls, they're also represented in these areas, which is very important. So the opportunities are there for all our kids. All the technology tools that they need, but coding in particular is one that I think is important and quite interesting to our kids, for them to be able to sit down and learn the computer language. We have extensive activities for them to be able to do that, very organized activities, and they come away with their own video game design. That's a career pathway in itself that they can readily enter as they move out of high school and into the college level. They own their own learning, they take the initiative, and we do kind of try and turn the tables to allow them to make choices. It's a new paradigm in terms of teaching, to be able to let the students lead their own learning.
The STEM program is led by a team of passionate and professional instructors who will continue to guide students to achievement through creativity, experimental education, and project-based learning.